This is celebrated every year for a 1 month time to make awareness to the public, to the employees of the government sector organizations, and it has lot many activities over the 1 month time, and this cycling is one of them. In this almost 200 plus students and the persons are participating. In fact, as you know, we are importing 85% of our crude oil from the abroad, from the petroleum countries, petroleum producing countries. Now, this cost is about $85 billion. This is tremendous cost for the country. Now, there is one organization that is called Petroleum Conservation Research Association under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India. Under their aegis, they make aware the public about conserving this oil so that we can save the very valuable petroleum import. Our company, our oil and gas industry, we produce about 15% of the requirement of the country. As you know, during this corona time, there was a reduction in petroleum and gas consumption, about 10%, and now it has come to the original level of about 265 million tons per annum. So that will be the consumption. In fact, the concept is, coming to the organization, we have to improve the efficiency of our engines, of our equipment. Just for your information, say in offshore operations, in Bombay offshore, which is the 70% of our ONGC operations, we consume about 400 megawatt of energy, which is generated using the in-house gas produced from the offshore oil fields. So that is the quantum. Now again, coming to the Rajahmundry asset, about 40 megawatt energy we consume in the operations, and if we improve 10% of that, we reduce the consumption by 10%, so that is the gain for the country. So that is the concept.